Wait, who are these random people watching my Snap stories? If you have got unwanted followers, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to remove followers on Snapchat in just a few taps. First, open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Now scroll down and tap My Friends. This is your full list of Snapchat connection. Find the person you want to remove, maybe a random follower or just someone you don't talk to anymore. Tap and hold their name, then tap Manage Friendship. Here you'll see the magic button, Remove Friend. Just tap it, confirm, and they're gone. They won't get notified, but they won't be able to see your snap or stories anymore. And that's it. Now your Snapchat is clutter-free from unwanted followers. So have you ever removed someone from Snapchat? Tell me why in the comments, no judgment. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Snapchat tricks.